Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see speaker note in Google Slides on your Android or iOS device. That is from the Google Slides app itself. It is the same for Android and iOS, so it doesn't really matter what device that you have. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And let's get started with the video. First, open your Google Slides app right here. After that, simply click on the presentation where you want to see the speaker note, and after the presentation opens, simply scroll to where you want to see, or simply click on the presentation and a pop-up will come up saying edit slides. Simply click on it, and after that, if you click on the slide itself, you will see, or simply click on the three dots and turn on speaker notes, and a speaker note will come up right at the bottom of your screen, whatever the speaker has added as the note. As you can see, there is only one note in this entire presentation. As you can see here, you can add any note that you want, and that's it. Super quick and easy. Now you will never lose track of your talking points during a presentation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment with what Google Slides tip you would like me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.